The Lotus Sutra, Chapter 24, Bodhisattva Gadgadasvara. Thereupon the Buddha Shakyamuni emitted a ray of light from his top-knot, Ushnisha, the mark of a great person, and also from the tuft of white hair between his eyebrows, Una, thus illuminating all the Buddha worlds in the east, equal to the sands of 108 myriads of kotis of Nayutas of Ganges rivers. Beyond this number of worlds was the Buddha world called Vairochana, Rasmi Pratimandita. In that world was the Buddha named Kamala Dala Vimala Naksatra Raja Samkusumita Bijna, a Tathagata, Arhat, completely enlightened, perfect in knowledge and conduct, well-departed, knower of the world, unsurpassed, tamer of humans, teacher of devas and humans, Buddha, Bhagavat. He was respectfully surrounded by a great assembly of countless, innumerable bodhisattvas, and he expounded his teaching for them. The ray of light emitted from the tuft of white hair between the eyebrows of Shakyamuni Buddha illuminated that entire world. At that time, in the Buddha world of Vairochana, Rasmi Pramandita, there was a bodhisattva whose name was Gadgadasvara, wonderful voice. Having planted many roots of good merit over a long period, he paid homage to and closely attended immeasurable hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of Buddhas, and accomplished complete and profound wisdom. He attended the samadhis called Davaja Grayakura, Saddharma Puṇḍarīka, Vimaladata, Naksatra Raja Vikridita, Anilamba Janamudra, Sava Ruta Kausalya, Sava Punya Samuchaya, Prasadavati, Radhi Vikridita, Janolka, Vyuharaja, Vimala Prabhasa, Vimalagaba, Apkritishna, and Suryavata. He thus attained great samadhis, equal in number to the sands of hundreds of thousands of myriads of kotis of Ganges rivers. As the light of the Buddha Shakyamuni illuminated his body, he addressed the Buddha Kamala Dala Vimala Naksatra Raja Samkusumita Bija, saying, O Bhagavat, I shall go to the Saha world.